Hi friends. During the pandemic breakdown of COVID-19, let's see the inside story of how one Indian state is flattening the curve through epic level of contact tracing and social assistance. Why is Kerala the talk of the world? What made the world to turn around Kerala? Kerala has the lowest death rate and highest recovery rate all over India. First state in India to establish the testing kit for COVID-19 called WISC. Kerala is the first state to introduce plasma therapy to cure COVID-19. Kerala is the first state to introduce Break the Chain campaign. The first state to start 1400 plus community kitchens all over the state. The first state to appoint 300 plus doctors and 400 plus health inspector on the war fit to fight against COVID-19 within 24 hours. Kerala is the only state in India to conduct daily situational briefing on public health and productive measures and next step of action by CM Pinarayi Vijayan.
Has installed 6 walk-in kiosks for mass collection of samples for coronavirus testing. The kiosks have been named WISC Walk-in Simple Kiosks. Kerala once again is showing the way to the rest of the country. I keep saying what Kerala thinks today, India is thinking tomorrow. More testing is the Kerala way forward.
You just mentioned 2 months of pension payments and even suspending loan and utility payments among some of the other incentives happening in Kerala. So what kind of lessons do you think the United States and perhaps even other countries can take away from the state of Kerala?
Now a question here is this. I am openly praising today the government of Kerala. The government of Kerala, I'm telling you, Pinarayi Vijayan, left government, has done a brilliant job.
Kerala looks prepared. The question is, are other states doing enough?
We've got to learn a lot from the way Kerala has been combating this virus here. Their control rooms, their call centers, their isolation wards, their hospitals, their doctors, so equipped. It's something that we certainly need to learn from.
But also the fact that there is no cure or vaccine at the moment, and how prepared is India? Because we've seen in Kerala, for example, 3 cases reported and thankfully they were discharged. We've seen Kerala fight virus cases like Nipah, Zika. They have been quite efficient. What can we learn from these models?
I'm glad you asked that question, Devina, because Kerala is one state that has developed its health infrastructure really well. And it's not just hospitals, but it's the primary healthcare centers, which is the first level of contact.